Welcome back to another video. Today we got 4 people. I was gonna do an intro video, but this is it now because we got out here late. We're already blind set up. We're ready to go. So we got Wyatt. Wyatt's back out here. Trey and Hannah. So we got four people. We can shoot 12 geese. And yesterday there was 400. So I don't think we're gonna have an issue. We're not even paying attention. We're still getting stuff put away. It's shooting light, and some wood ducks just flew right over us, a whole group of them. We could have smacked them, but none of us, I don't even think we had our guns loaded. But yeah, so we're gonna get brushed up. We'll see when the birds are coming. Got the blinds brushed up and we're ready to go. Trey's calling. We just had another group of mallards come over a little bit to the left of us, but oh, there's a duck. What? I know the trees right there. Keep watching, dude, because they're coming. Yeah, 400 birds in this field yesterday. Cut corn, it's plowed under, but they're hitting it. What? Oh my god, they're locked up, dude. They're locked up.
Maybe, are you ready?
They're locked up. They're gonna land behind us, I think. I'm not calling, dude.
You want to turn around and shoot them if they come behind us?
No.
What?
Let them land. What? They're landing way over there?
Land,
Huh?
call. Call.
Why did they land so far away?
Damn it.
Did they?
That's not good. We don't want them over there.
Go spook them up. Wyatt wasn't even aiming, he was spraying and praying. Oh, we got one.
Only one.
I didn't even know we got one.
Hannah's both one. That's the only goose we got. That was fucked.
They were far away. We should have let them. I don't know, dude.
Well, I thought we should let them work because they weren't going that way. So I was like, should we shoot? And I was.
Did those other birds fly away? I don't think they did. They're coming this way. They're walking to us.
What?
Look at them. Those birds were a little farther away than we thought. There was only one bird working. Hannah smoked it and the rest flew away.
I think they were probably going to swing back around though.
They might have swung back around, but I don't know. I don't know.
I don't know. That was tough.
It's just a call you got to make.
We probably shouldn't have shot.
We always say that after. We probably shouldn't have shot.
Well, I mean, that's always... But then the other thing is, if we don't shoot and then they fly away, then we say, oh, we should have shot.
Yeah.
We could have got them.
That's how it goes. Well, we got one down, so 11 more to go.
Should we turn and shoot these little?
No, not yet.
Right over. Shoot.
Dude, they were way too far.
Were they?
I knew they were too far.
I didn't even see those.
I said no, don't shoot them.
I was talking about these.
Dude, they were all working. All those birds flared. All of them. Dude, we could have smoked them.
Dude, those never turned at all. I was watching all these. I didn't see the ones in front. I didn't even know they were there.
Dude, they're just landing everywhere around us.
That's what I'm saying, dude.
Why?
Because they want to be here, but we don't look right.
I don't know, man. They're still really close. Dude, they're just not working. Should we just shoot at them and get them up? I don't know if we're gonna get close enough.
There's flock coming over the trees out.
Oh my god. Okay, we'll just wait and see. Holy. Look at them all.
Look at this.
Look at all the birds.
Shells didn't get down. Some of them have got to fly over.
They're
no
freaking everywhere. There's so many birds everywhere. This is nuts. That's nuts. This is crazy. They're all coming back.
Dude.
This is nuts.
Are those fresh ones over there to the
I
right?
think so, yeah.
Get the fuck out.
These ones got to do something, dude. Give us something here. Come on, give us something. Come on, do it. Right in here, do it. Closer, oh my god.
Watch on the left. Watch on the left.
Watch to the right.
I know, but watch on the left. These might come close. Straight. These up front. Look, shoot, these up front there.
Wait, wait.
Dude, we could've shot.
No, dude, they're far.
Oh shit, those are fun. We can hit those.
Just wait, see if these ones do it.
Yeah, wait for the 6. The 6 up top.
Alright, I'm shooting at these ones on the right.
What?
I'm shooting at these ones landed on the right.
Before more geese come. Got one.
One.
What? That guy just shot that from his house. They're coming back.
What?
Get the fuck down.
No way. Just shot it from his house.
That's crazy.
Dude, this field is crazy.
This is nuts.
There's so many birds that want this field.
We've got like 3 geese down, but this is awesome.
I know. They're not working, but they're surrounding. Mother.
No? I don't think so, boys.
No.
Are they coming this way?
No. They're coming this way, kind of. They are. They're landing in a crosswind, dude.
Might try to.
I got that one.
Fucking bitch.
Maybe they aren't.
There's a lot of birds.
Yeah. Oh, they are landing. They're coming down. They are cupped. Over there again. Oh, nice. My phone just face planted in the mud. Look at this. Oh my god, dude. You gotta be... Damn. Somebody's tired. Well, we're calling her. Me and Wyatt, we gotta go back to work. And it looks like it's gonna rain. It's not supposed to, but it doesn't look the best. Yeah, so we probably had close to like 800,000 birds land in this field, and we shot 4. But there is this big mud ring from where we've been walking, because it's wet, right around our blinds, and I never even thought of that, and it just don't look right. And we didn't really have time to go pick up and move the spread. There was birds on us constantly. It was ridiculous. But yeah, we only ended up with 4. Trey, what do you think about that day?
I mean, it was cool. It was a really cool hunt. We just didn't do it right.
We're doing it right. Stay tuned. Like and subscribe. Be a lot more content all season long. There's the 4 birds. No bands either. No bands. We have yet to shoot anything banded. It's ridiculous. I'm over it, but all right. Keep up watching.
Go home, get back to the grind. You only live once, it only happens one time. It's my time to shine. This time is bittersweet, make this world mine.